Well, good morning vlog. It is another day here in sunny Boston. Let me fix. There we go. Sunny Boston. We are heading out of here today. This is our last day. We're heading south, heading onwards. I don't know. We're heading to South Carolina today. Yay! James, say yay.
Yay!
Thank you, hotel room. Thank you, nice view. So pretty. Thank you, little luggage rack thing. Thank you, little bedside clock. It didn't take long to get from our hotel to the airport. A quick ride on the orange line, a change onto the blue line, and only a few stops to the airport. Boston Logan Airport has a few terminals, but the shuttle bus is quick and frequent. We got the bus from right outside the blue line station, and it dropped us at the front door of the terminal. While waiting on our flight, we grabbed some lunch and smoothies. We also had this great view of the apron. We are flying to South Carolina with Delta and departing from the main concourse of Terminal A. We are flying in Delta Comfort Plus, and our seats are right at the front of the Comfort Plus cabin. Being a small aircraft, the boarding process completed quickly, and it was not long until we started taking off. In my opinion, this is the best Comfort Plus seat. As you can see, I've got plenty of room to stretch out, being in the aisle seat directly behind the single seat at the back of the first class cabin. I ordered a coffee. I watched Jamie play Animal Crossing on her Switch while we both listened to some music. Bumpy landing coming in from Charleston. It's bumpy. The flight time is only a couple of hours, and it wasn't long before we were coming in to land. Alright, I'm sitting here outside Charleston Airport. Jamie's bringing the car around. Yeah, it's really hot here. Alright, well, we are in Jamie's car and it is absolutely roasting. I'm using my hoodie to protect me from the sun. We're gonna be chilling out for today, I think. Because wow, is it hot. And I am not used to this kind of humidity and heat. Scotland does not get this. Coffee. I'm literally sweating everywhere right now. I got a coffee. Jamie got a cold coffee, I got a hot coffee. Cat on the table. Doggy. Doggy is scared of everything. And then there's this doggy that just likes to chill on his pillow. And then there's a Jamie over here. And there's a cat. Jamie's cat's through there and a room through there. Hi! You're so cute. Hi. Meow. Yeah, no, hello there. Hey, Minnie. Hi there. You like getting scratched on your head?
Should be almost there.
We're heading to the beach. We're almost there. Yay, beach! Welcome to the beach. We found the beach. And I'm hiding from the sun under this umbrella. Pretty feeling the beach.
Sand.
Yeah. And windy. Very windy. We wrote our initials. We did sand writing. What are other stereotypical things we could do at the beach?
Push you in the water.
Ah! We looked at shells. We didn't go paddling. Want to go paddling?
We can't take off our shoes and go and dip our feet in.
I'm not doing that. I'm wearing socks.
Well, I mean, take off your shoes and socks and dip our feet.
No, I don't want to get my feet all wet and sandy. Ew. That's icky. Didn't bring any towels. Should have brought towels. Well, thank you for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button below this video. And for more vlogs coming up real soon, subscribe to the YouTube channel or follow the Facebook page.